Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. So guys, if you are facing a problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix it. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open settings, and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly and there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device, and after that go back and scroll it down and tap on screen time. Scroll down, tap on content and privacy restriction and turn this toggle off. Now after that go back and find out the Safari. So guys, here it is. So simply tap on it, scroll down, and here tap on clear history and website data, tap on all history and close all tabs, and after that clear all history. So guys, after clearing all history, your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.